Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you OMNIBOOK X Flip 16 model. This is a specification. You can see HP OMNIBOOK X Flip 16 AS0023DX. Processor you can see Intel Ultra 7 256V processor, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD M.2, 16 inches screen, touch screen, 360 degrees, Windows 11 Home Edition. The part number you can see here, the laptop part number B5UH1, and this is the model number. And have a look this body. It's a full black color body, aluminum finishing. You can see Ultra 7 processor. The keyboard 16 inches, but this one does not have any numerical pad. Small keyboard, and the side they given the 2 speaker. You can see OMNIBOOK X logo on top. Smooth touchpad. Comes with a backlight keyboard. Comes with the backlight and speaker and power button on top of the keyboard. 2 speaker on side. It's a 16 inches touchscreen laptop, 360 degrees. Side you can see one USB port, headphone jack combo, 3.5mm, slim design. And let's see other side, what are the connection. USB port, HDMI, Thunderbolt 4 of 2 Thunderbolt 4, and slim design. This is a full look. We can see the backside look of this unit. HP logo, black color body, aluminum body. This is a power adapter, 65 watts, Type C power adapter. USB-C. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is a brief look only. I'm not going to give any review in this one. Thank you for watching.